Now student, as I have taught you about the different type of pictures that you can insert, now there is a many question comes regarding to the inserting the clipart. So in window 10 you will not going to get a clipart, as you will not going to get a clipart. So from where you can get insert the clipart, you can go to the picture. Then first you have to place your cursor where you want to do the work. Suppose you have placed your cursor here. Okay, suppose you have placed your cursor here. Now you go to the picture option, online picture. As you go to the online picture, it will load it little bit time. It will going to take. It will going to take a little bit time because you know it that due to the networking areas, it will going to take a little bit of time of loading. Now you write here clipart. Clipart suppose India. Okay, so what I want? I want a clipart. Under clipart, I want the picture of India. Suppose the map, this or the map or this flag. Okay, so suppose this flag. Now insert. Now as you have inserted, you can delete this one because this is not required. This one you can delete it. Have you seen it? Select it and delete it, this section. Now you minimize this section. As you minimize this section, you can delete this also. Okay, now you minimize the picture. So this is what you see, the clipart you can insert from this particular design. Now format means design format, there is a format option is there. So where we are going to the insert, then illustration, pictures. From the picture you will going to insert the picture. As the different type of picture you find it, that different type of clipart. So don't worry about that if you are using window 10, but in other version you can find you have a clipart option in the window version. You will find clipart version, but window 10 version clipart, by writing the clipart is not there. Now there are the different type of 3D shapes also, models also, that also you can insert. That also you can insert by clicking on it. Suppose there are the icons, different pattern of icons. Insert the icons. If you click on inserting the icons, you can insert the different type of icons what is available. So the window will open in front of you. In this window you will find that it will going to analyze a different type of icons, whatever the icons you want to insert it. Okay, different pattern of icons you can insert it, or you can insert the 3D model. Click on the 3D model. Online you can, from the files also you can, if you want from the files, then it will open the file, any file. If you have any 3D model, that you will going to select. Okay, and if it doesn't be there, then you can go for the online source. And as soon as you go for the online source, see different type of, say, anatomy, clothing, furniture industry, different types, triggers, animals. Okay, whichever you want. Suppose animals, so or furnitures. Click on the furnitures. You will find different type of 3D models of the furniture. Different pattern of furnitures will be available in front of you. So those the different pattern of furniture 3D models. Suppose dog house. This is the dog house. Okay, or this is an easy chair. Suppose this easy chair. Insert. Now as you inserted it, you will find it will download, and after downloading it, it will take a little bit of time of downloading the 3D models. What are the different type of 3D models? Because okay, so as it is taking little bit of time due to the internet problem, I am not loading it at this moment. I am cancelling it. Okay, I'm cancelling it at this moment. So in this way you can download the different type of 3D models, whatever you want in your